Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all well and healthy. So in this video you can learn how to do eyebrow makeup very natural. So see and follow the instructions carefully. There are so many products like gel, pencils, powders and etc. So the main thing is which one is best for your skin shape. So let's start with super duper easy round brush. I have Anastasia Brow shaper and a brush you can find easily in shop and online. As you can see, it's such a fine tip to make your eyebrow makeup too natural. Second product is brow pomade. I have brow pomade that's from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I dipped in the brush. It's dark brown with an angled brush which is from drugstore. Now distribute the product evenly. Adhere to your brow, especially using a tinted pomade. Brow pomade is perfect to create an Instagram look. Fulfill up your brow and also give them a full glam look. I love thick eyebrows. Here's the look by brow before and here's my look now. So now what we do, apply some foundation on my eyebrow side. For finishing it looks more brilliant your look. So now brow pomade have creamy consistency. You can use it again and again. I thought this video is very helpful for you. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and support me to create creative videos for you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.